guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts. Let's make a spooky cemetarium for Halloween using supplies from the dollar store. Start by selecting a glass bowl or jar for your cemetarium. The size and shape of the glass container is totally up to you. The dollar store has lots of options. Next, you will want to have a base layer for the terrarium. I found black aquarium gravel at my dollar store, but rocks or soil from your backyard would work just as well. I like to use 2 different kinds of moss in my cemetarium so there's contrast in the colors and the texture of the ground. Both of these bags of moss are from the dollar store's floral section. At Dollar Tree right now, they are selling 3 different varieties of these Halloween fairy garden sets. Each set costs $5, and you could probably make 2 cemetariums from one set. You could also make your own mini gravestones from polymer or air dry clay. Amazon also sells spooky minis that would work. I'll link to a few options in the description of the video. I also bought a pick of glittery sticks at the dollar store to serve as spooky cemetery trees. Putting your cemetarium together is super easy. Start by adding in your base layer to your glass container. Then you can add in your various kinds of moss, whether it's reindeer moss or floral moss or whatever you are able to find. If you're using a larger jar or a deeper vase, you may want to use a pencil or a chopstick to get that moss in exactly the right spot. The moss will look like the overgrown grounds of a spooky cemetery. Then clip little pieces off of your floral branches to create spindly, bare trees in the back of your cemetarium. Finally, take your Halloween miniatures and nestle them into the rocks and the moss. If you're concerned about the elements shifting within your cemetarium, you can glue them in place with hot glue, but I don't think it's really necessary. If you nestle them right into the rocks, they won't shift very much. I made this cemetarium in less than 15 minutes, and I love the way it turned out. You can make a couple of these and group them together to make a spooky vignette for very little money. Please like this video if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, visit me on my blog maddencrafts.com, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!